The Baltimore Oriole is a stunning bird with fiery orange and black feathers that make it one of the most eye-catching songbirds in North America. Known for its sweet, whistling song, this bird often visits gardens and backyards in spring and summer. It loves sipping nectar, eating ripe fruits like oranges, and catching insects high in the trees. The female Baltimore Oriole is a master builder, weaving a hanging nest that looks like a little basket. With its bright colors and cheerful song, the Baltimore Oriole is a true symbol of beauty in nature. Kindly share and subscribe for more videos.